All right, back with the charting sesh. Let's zoom out a little bit and check this out. All of our LRLR here is somewhat intact. Um, why is this here? Oh, BPR. Okay. So we dumped pretty hard today. Not gonna lie. All of this LRLR that we had marked out or that we talked about yesterday, all this and this, all got dumped through today. And then after we dumped through all of that today, we have this big, huge SMT with ES now. So, Munchie's TP is up here. So we got this big SMT here now, with ES, which I'm going to mark and leave marked. Just like this SMT down here at the bottom. I really like this one, so I'm going to leave that marked. I really like this one, so I'm going to leave this marked. Now, some things that I'm going to remove are, I think it's possible I remove this LRLR line because the sell model on that might be, well, I don't know, actually. I'm for sure leaving this 4-minute BPR down here. I'm for sure leaving this 5-minute gap, this SMT. I'm gonna delete this 60-minute BISI because we closed below it and then we pump back up, and so it's kind of just invalidated. And so I'm not gonna leave it marked. This 1 hour here. We put in this giant 1 hour down and have this really nice 1 hour BPR right here, including this SMT. So I would not be surprised if we got some bearish price action over the next couple days. I'm going to leave this 15-minute right here marked out because this is what held price up after the dump today, as you can see here. So I'm going to leave this 15-minute BISI marked out as a area of interest. This 4-minute gap I'm also going to remove because we kind of just blasted through it and never came back. This 15-minute BPR, here's what I was going to say, right? I was going to delete it, but can you see how after wrecking this BPR, now it looks like it's low-key being used as an inverse? Do you guys see that? So you see how we wrecked this 15-minute BPR come up, and now we're testing this gap that we inversed, and it's holding. That's not super bullish to me. So, yeah, we got this bearish SMT. We got this 60-minute BPR. This 15-minute BPR that got inverse is holding, and I wouldn't be surprised if we go lower. I think something else I'll mark out too is probably this 30-minute gap here, because you see how we here's what I'll explain why. I know that I just randomly be marking gaps, but I feel like I never explain why. Here's why I'm going to mark this out. See how this gap is the gap that got put in that accelerated us to go through this high. And then not only that, but we displace through that high, and then we come down and we try, we come up, we come down again, we try, and we just can't go below it. So I really like that as an area to either bounce from or to tell my bias from. So what do I mean? Come down here, maybe sweep this low, get an SMT, look for longs here. Or if we just death candle through it all and close below, well, then that will put me bearish to maybe come break this SMT. So, yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. I got in on this 4-minute right here on paper at the end of the day for fun. My TPs, these equal lows. Well, they're not equal, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for now. That's how I'm feeling. Day by day, like I know we're at all time highs, but man, the way we put in this 1 hour, boom, or this 30 minute, and then boom, wrecked through it like that. I don't know. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do those in there anymore. I don't think, because I'm gonna have to do. I'm doing London stream. It was just a lot of streaming. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the charting session now. We do these every day in the Discord, so if you're not in there, join up. It's fun. We also do psychology discussions. So yeah, that's gonna be it for now, and peace. Maybe, maybe, maybe.